Transitions, look at this. So there's three different types. There's adding, opposing, and logical transitions. And these transitions go between sentences to establish the relationship of the two sentences, of this sentence versus this sentence. So let's look at adding transitions. I like beans, blank, we need a transition. I like burritos. So we're talking about how we like a food and how we like another food. And because of this, we need an adding transition. So I like beans. In addition, I like burritos. Sounds great. I like beans. In other words, I like burritos. So if you have a positive relationship between sentences, you need an adding transition word. What if you have an opposing relationship between sentences? I like beans, blank. I hate rice. Now, we're still talking about food and food, but look at the verbs, hate and like. Those are opposite verbs. So to make a smooth transition between those sentences, you need an opposing transition word. You can say, I like beans, however, I hate rice. Or I like beans, on the other hand, I hate rice. And this indicates that you're going to be kind of talking about something opposite than the previous sentence. Last one are all these logical types of transitions. So let's look at the sentence here. I liked beans, blank, I liked Mexican food. So cause transition words means that this first sentence caused this second sentence. So I liked beans. As a result, I liked Mexican food. This was the cause or the reason for this second sentence. I liked beans, therefore I like Mexican food. Then we have conclusions. You'll see a lot of these as like the last sentence of a paragraph. It kind of sums up the previous sentences. So I liked beans. In conclusion, I liked Mexican food because they have a lot of beans in Mexican food. It's super good. Or I like beans. In the end, I like Mexican food. And then you have these order ones that kind of help chronologically figure out what happened in what order. So I liked beans. Later, I liked Mexican food. Or I liked beans. Finally, I liked Mexican food. So if you see a transition problem in your ELA section, make sure that you understand the relationship between the two sentences or the sentence that came before it and the sentence so that you can put in the correct transition. You can either put in an adding transition word to show that you're going to add on information to the previous sentence. You can put in opposing transition words to say you're going to talk opposite about the previous sentence, or a logical transition word to either show the cause or reason that you're concluding the previous couple sentences, or you're just showing and indicating what order things happen. All right, man. Cool.